Every week, several companies reach out to me asking about how to win new business. What's the best way to impress a new customer when they come for a typical factory visit? Here's the standard playbook of a typical factory tour: standard and stale. It usually starts with a huge welcome in the lobby, signs and banners showing the customer's company logo and all the visitors' names plus work titles. Then everyone goes to the conference room: tea, coffee, water, snacks. After the refreshments, the dreaded presentation, taking 60 to 90 minutes of everyone's lives. This same presentation is rolled out to every new customer. The exact same presentation, containing details that are not necessary to today's specific customer. I think you'll all agree that the typical factory introduction, the factory tour, is pretty awful. If you've been through this experience, then I think you know exactly what I mean. The good news is there is huge room for improvement. There are many easy ways to make this much, much better. Hey vendors, number one, send the presentation in advance. Send it by email. Keep it to 10 to 15 minutes maximum. Personalize it to the new customer. Things like, what is this customer interested in? What do they specifically want from you as a vendor? Ask the customer to supply quick questions and comments. Okay, let's go back to the conference room in what we're describing as the typical tour example. All right, so the coffee is beginning to wear off. The customer is looking at their watch, glazed eyes, slumped back in the chair. This doesn't help anyone. Doesn't help the customer, and it doesn't help you as a vendor. It doesn't promote your company, and it fails to establish a solid first impression. I hear you. You're wondering what are a few things that could make this experience better for all involved. Here's what you can do: deliver a new experience to the customer, something that flows, that has lots of energy, and is different. Here's a quick look at my ideal tour scenario. I would arrive at a factory at approximately 10 a.m. Why 10 a.m.? This gives everyone an opportunity to be ready and set up. I would ask you as a vendor, please avoid the huge banner and the personalized ID signs in the lobby. Most customers like to keep a low profile. Okay, we go to the conference room: water, coffee, maybe a snack. A 15-minute presentation customized to the customer's needs and products, answering the questions and comments from the email preview presentation that we talked about 2 minutes ago. Then go for a walk around the factory. Focus on the actual making elements of your factory. Demonstrate your skill, your ability. Show examples of past parts and products that highlight your ability, specific again to this customer's needs. Also, chat freely about challenges that you've experienced and how you've overcome those challenges in the past. Housekeeping, housekeeping, housekeeping. You must have your factory looking clean, professional, and organized. Trained eyes will see through any BS that's put on show for the tour purposes. So keep it real, show off your factory, but keep the systems going. It shouldn't be just for the tour. You should show a live representation of how your factory operates. Then, after the walk around the factory, it's good to come back to the conference room. Here, you might say something like, "Hey, customer, I hope you enjoyed the tour around our factory. Do you have any questions or comments that you can share?" So, what you do then is listen and take notes and give feedback to that customer in the next few days about what you heard and the feedback that you got. For me, this type of scenario is the perfect engaging visit. You got to keep it flowing, keep the energy up, and make it customer focused. These are the keys. Good luck attracting and keeping new customers and new business.